Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix Apple TV app not working on Roku devices. So, before we start, you need to make sure that your model is compatible with Apple TV. Not all Roku streaming devices support the Apple TV channel. To help determine if your device in your country is compatible, you need to know the device model. To find this information, go to the home screen on your Roku device and select Settings. Select System. Select About. Here, this screen will display your model number. And here is a list of models that support Apple TV channel. After you are sure of the above, then start with the first method. Restart your device. Just go to Settings. Select System. Select Power. Select System Restart. Select Restart. If the problem still occurs, then unplug the power cord, and wait about 2 minutes, and then plug it in again. Method 2. Update system software and channel. Go to Settings. Select System. Select Software Update. Select Check Now. If there is new software available or there are updates for your channels, then your Roku device will download and install them automatically, and once completed, your Roku device will reboot. Next, go to Home Screen. Navigate to Apple TV channel. Press Star button on your remote. Now, select Check for updates and then follow the on-screen instructions if there is an update available. Method 3. Reset Apple TV app. Open the Apple TV channel. Go to Settings. Scroll down and select Reset Apple TV app. Follow the on-screen instructions. Once done, restart the Roku device. Just press Home button on your remote. Go to Settings. Select System. Select Power. Select System Restart. Select Restart. After the Roku device restart is done, open the Apple TV channel, then sign in using your Apple ID and password. And check if the problem is fixed. Method 4. Uninstall and reinstall the Apple TV channel. On your Roku remote, press the Home button. Select Streaming Channels. Find Apple TV. Press the OK button on your remote. Select Remove Channel. After that, select Add Channel. Finally, factory reset your Roku device as a last resort if the problem persists. That's it guys, hope this is useful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.